All right, here we go. So one of the first things that we need to remember to do when we're doing an assembly is we want to take one of our objects and we want to make that object fixed. So I just did a right click and this object is fixed in place. And actually, I want to unfix that. I want to fix in place this 13.5. I think that's actually a better view for me. Now we can come up here and we can take this and we can actually grab this point right here and we can spin this piece around. So I'm going to spin it 90 degrees because this gives me a better angle kind of how I see this assembly working. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my mate. So that mate, I'm going to try to get a better view for you. I'm going to do this corner to, I want that inside corner. So I'm going to rotate to here. Yes, that looks correct. I'm now going to take this piece and I'm going to rotate it this direction. Oh, I need to get off of my fastener. There we go. You can tell I'm still learning this program. And I'm watching the little degree marker. I want 90 degrees. I'm going to do my mate fastener. And I'm going to do, thinking, no, I'm not getting things to spin the way I want. That corner to, oh, I had it for a split second there. That corner. Now on this particular piece, I need to, let's see, click there to say, yes, I want that fastener. I'm not sure why it's giving me this error message. Maybe it'll, to be determined. Maybe we'll determine it here in a second. So this particular piece, I need to rotate a lot to get it into place. I need it to flip this way. So that's 180 degrees. And I'm going to spin. And I'm going to aim for my mate fastener for this point. And I think this point. One of the reasons I let you see my struggles is because you're learning too and you're going to struggle. And I have experience with other programs, but not this particular program. And I think it's good for you to see what I have to go through. So I'm not sure, again, why those two are saying that they're no good. Mate needs two mate connectors. Okay. So if I right click, I can edit this mate. I'm not even sure where that is. I know in another program I used, as long as you couldn't pull these apart, you were good to go. I hate to make that assumption because I feel like we're getting this error message for a reason, but I'm not sure why. And right now, everything looks to me like it is correctly assembled. So we're going to roll with it for right now. We might determine what the mistake is. I may study it a little after I shut this video off even and have to make a follow-up video to explain it to you. But if you get to this point today on your remote day, I will be very pleased with your progress and we will continue from there. Have a good one. Make sure you're emailing if you have questions.